Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Brenda and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell, that way you guys don't miss any time I upload. For today's video, I will be unboxing a Louis Vuitton dupe that I did purchase on the Walmart website. So I know that Louis Vuitton bags can be very expensive and not everybody is interested in spending thousands of dollars on a bag. So the really great thing about dupes is dupes are inspired by the authentic bags without claiming to be the real brand. So usually dupes do not have any logos, but the style of the bag is very similar to the real bag. So just for reference, I am going to be using my Elmo BB. This is a real Louis Vuitton, and that way I can compare the leather and the color as well as the pattern. So if you guys are interested in seeing how the dupe compares to my real Louis Vuitton bag, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Okay you guys, so let's get started with the unboxing. So this is what the packaging looks like. This is how it came in the mail. It didn't come in a box, it just came in this plastic bag right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it here for you guys. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It comes really protected. So it's in this bag right here, and then it is also wrapped with this paper. So let me get a close-up so you guys can see that the little paper actually says Daisy Rose, which is the name of the merchant of this bag here. Okay, so let's get that off. Wow. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh, you guys. Wow. So, let me get this off. And as you can see, the straps, everything is nicely packaged. Wow. And here's the zipper right here. I'm like literally shocked. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so impressed with this quality. This is such a beautiful bag. So one of the things that I did read on the reviews about this bag was that some people were getting their bags with the zipper broken. So I'm gonna try mine. Works perfectly. Let's see this one. It took a little bit more to open it, but it's not broken, so that's a good thing. Oh my gosh. And this is the back right here. That is so freaking adorable. It kind of has a little bit of padding here on the back, which I'm really happy about. So the straps feel pretty thick. They are adjustable, as you can see. There is no padding, of course, but it has the little handle up here. So online, you don't get very much information about the product other than it is vegan leather, which is really nice. Okay, you guys, so in comparison to the real Louis Vuitton bag, I think this one looks pretty darn similar to the men's Josh bag, and I'll go ahead and put a picture up on the screen, that way you guys can see and compare. I don't really think it looks much like the women's Palm Springs bag. It's a little different. So for the Josh bag, I noticed on the website that they don't have it in the brown checkered color, but they do have it in the black. Now I'm gonna go ahead and compare the pattern to my real Louis Vuitton bag, and that way we can see the difference. So the real Louis Vuitton Josh bag, it looks pretty similar to this. It does have the one pouch right here in the front, just like this. Has two pouches on the inside that are flat, so you can put like a tablet or something like that. This one does not. It actually has a zipper, which I prefer. So it's just the zipper right here. Looks like it works perfectly. You can see that the bag says Daisy Rose on the inside, which again is the seller. And I do see that it has these two little pouches right here. And the bag is pretty big on the inside, so you can fit a lot in this. It can be really useful for like a travel bag. I think I'm gonna be using this a lot for traveling, or for whenever I need to take more than just the couple essential items. So I'm really excited. Let's go ahead and compare this to my Alma BB. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get a close-up of the strap so you can see that part of the leather on this bag. So now I'm gonna show you the leather for my Alma BB close-up. That way you can kind of compare it with the dupe. And it looks pretty darn similar. So the first difference that I see between the dupe and the real Louis Vuitton is that, I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's sort of like a, I guess, like a shine to the dupe more than the real Louis Vuitton. But as far as the pattern, I think it is pretty spot on. I do see that the checkered part on the dupe has sort of like a purple tint to it. So it's not that noticeable unless you really look at it. But that's one thing to note. This one is a little bit more of a matte color. You don't see very much color to the brown part. I think it's a little bit darker, but honestly, the pattern looks pretty great to me. So other than that little bit of sheen to the pattern and that little bit of purplish tint or purple tone in the brown squares, I think this is such an amazing dupe. I definitely do recommend it. It can be used as a travel bag, it can be used as a diaper bag if you have kids, or you know, just an everyday bag. So for those of you that like to carry a lot in your bag, this is really great. I do recommend this a lot. And one thing I forgot to show is that it does have these pockets on the side as well, and it has it on both sides, just like that. And yeah, so to be quite honest, I am very happy with this purchase. Just to let you guys know, I did see that they have a black one, just like the real Louis Vuitton Josh backpack, and they do also have the cream color. So if you're interested in either of those colors, I'm sure it's exactly the same, just the different color. But yeah, I'm really happy with this purchase. Like I said, the only thing that I saw on the reviews online was that the zipper came broken for some people. However, it didn't come broken for my bag, so I'm really happy about that. But just something to keep in mind. I am going to be leaving the link to this bag in the description down below if you guys are interested in seeing it. So let me go ahead and try this on, that way you guys can see what it looks like. Okay, you guys, so that is the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. To be honest with you, I am still sort of in shock at the quality of this bag. I will be linking it down below if you guys are interested in purchasing it. The price will be there and everything. I will also be linking the real Josh Louis Vuitton backpack in case you guys are interested to go and see the comparisons for yourself. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to do that before you go. And if you did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!